Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So we're back in the Mach-E here, and today's video is really pretty simple. So if you're familiar with the Mach-E at all, on the front there's these active shutters that open and close electronically depending on what the car needs. Primary purpose is to get air to a radiator for the air conditioning, which that compressor is used for the internal AC climate in the cabin, but probably more importantly for the battery and high voltage systems. So it's pretty easy to tell when that's on, whether you're parked and DC fast charging, those shutters open, the fans kick on, cooling is running, even level 2 charging if the battery's warm, and in some cases even level 1 charging at home, it'll kick on for a minute or so, and then the compressor will turn off and then the shutters will close. So that's all pretty obvious, but I've always wondered, when you're driving, do those shutters ever close even if the AC is running? And so that's really what I want to find out. The reason that I'm suspicious that they may close when you're driving, and this may have changed over time, I don't have a way to totally prove it changed over time, but some of the road trips I took about a year ago with this car in 2022, after the road trip, it was in the middle of the summer, so there was tons of bugs on the front of the car. And since I was using the air conditioning, there was also a lot of bugs on that radiator underneath where the shutters are. And so when I was cleaning the car, I would actually turn the car on, get the AC running so the shutters would open, and then kind of hose that out because there was just so much bugs and stuff in there. And then some road trips I've taken this year, the bugs weren't nearly as bad. And so underneath the shutter area, still on the front of the car, they were pretty bad. I'm wondering, do the shutters not open 100% where it's, totally 90 degrees open versus closed? Are they doing more like a 45 degree half open? I don't know, and that's what we want to find out. So right now, the shutters should be open, the AC is running. So what I'm going to do is just turn off the AC. The cooling will keep running for a little bit, but shortly here, it should turn off and the shutters will close. So let's see if that happens. Okay, so we confirm the shutters close. So I'm gonna turn the AC back on just to show you for sure they should open here. They have to. So the AC is back on. I've just got it set at 69 on like the level 1 auto here. Get onto a 55 mile an hour zone and go at a higher speed here. And we'll see if they close at all. I'm gonna bump the temp down just to make sure make sure the AC keeps running here and doesn't cycle or anything, but it should keep running pretty constantly. That's been my experience. Okay, so we're moving. I'm just gonna call out the speed here. So we're at 15, 25. This is not a race. 30, 35. 40. Wow, that bike leaned over so far he was scraping his exhaust. Okay, we're going again. 20, 25, 30, 35. Slowing down now, 35, 30, 20, 10, 0. Just in case they open back up. I don't know. This is, if you're nerding out on this kind of stuff, welcome to the channel. All right, well, that was pretty cool to see where the shutters go at a 45 degree angle there. Thought that was pretty interesting, and it totally explains why there's less bugs getting into that area, at higher speeds. So I'm pretty confident Ford changed that at some point, because last summer I just remember that radiator inside there just being plastered with bugs and seeing very few now. And if they didn't, maybe I just went through some crazy big swarm of bugs or something. But at any rate, it's definitely doing the 45 degree angle there once the vehicle is at those higher speeds. So that's pretty cool. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time. Bye.